Yes, more of a noun than another noun. And it's the words that you would use to define yourself. Yeah? So what's that sentence? I'm
more of a dreamer than a planner. I would have said I'm more a dreamer than a planner. Oh.
Yeah, I suppose this is one of the big differences between English and Spanish, where when you state these ER nouns, for example, your job, you don't use the article a before your job, do you?
No.
So when I say, so in English to talk about my job, I'll say I'm a teacher, not I'm teacher. So this is why we need a before these nouns, which define you as a person. Because they're ER, they describe the person. So they're a noun for a person noun, okay? And yeah, you would say to be more of, and then a ER noun, than a whatever. So you say this person noun is more descriptive of me than this, yeah? So talk about sports, imagine you say, oh, I really like swimming. I'll say, I'm more of a runner than a swimmer. Yeah, meaning running defines me better than swimming defines me. What do you say for yourself?
I'm more of a dreamer than a planner. I would say that.
This is your sentence, yeah?
No, it wasn't my plan.
It defines you as well, yeah? Maria, anything?
I'm more of a night person than a morning person.
Evening person.
Evening person.
I'm more of an evening person than a morning person. Exactly.
And you always use this more of, so that go together, more
Yes.
of.
I'm more of, yeah, it's strange that, yeah, it's just what it is.
Yeah,
it's that fixed phrase, that's what we use in this. So it's I'm more of a than a whatever. So those two people you say. So you can say a morning person or an evening person. Now, there's also, let's say, more spoken English one that we can use for each of these. A morning person we normally call an early bird. And an evening person?
A night owl.
A night owl. Check you out, very good. A night.
Just came to my mind.
A moment of inspiration. You know this then, yeah? Yeah. I'm more of an early bird than a night owl. Definitely. And there's an expression about this. The early bird what? Do you know this? No? It's talking about being early to get an opportunity.
Gets the bird. Gets what? It's first or they,
Okay, kind of like that. What do they eat?
they eat grain. No.
They live in the ground. Another insect that lives in the ground?
Worms.
Yes. So the early bird catches the worm. Yeah, that's really good.
It's like a que madruga Dios le ayuda.
Exactly.
Okay.
That's exactly what you say.
Could you say I'm more of beer than wine?
No, you can say person because when beer doesn't have a person noun, because with these ones you need a person noun. Dreamer, planner, student, swimmer, runner, things like this. When you don't have the person noun, you use person. So what Maria said was, I'm more of a morning person than an evening person, because morning doesn't have itself a person noun. So you need to put person after. Yeah. So I'm more of a beer person or a beer drinker.
Beer drinker than a wine drinker.
than a wine drinker. I'm more of a beer drinker than a wine drinker.
Okay.
So you would never go, I'm more of beers than wine.
No. No.
As we say.
And how would
here in
you say
Spanish.
that? Instead of, I'm more a,
I'm more of a beer person than a wine person. It's totally fine as well. I'm more of a beer person than a wine person. I prefer beer to wine.
I go
Yeah.
more for,
I go more for beer than wine. You can say that as well.
So, okay, that's
Okay.
only for persons, for nouns.
Yeah, person nouns. But you can put person after a noun like beer person or wine person. They're totally fine. Morning person, evening person. You can make a person noun out of any noun. Yeah? But the most common nouns that we use for people have their own person nouns, often from verbs. Does that make sense? Mm-hmm. Yeah? Good. Good?